Hello everyone, this is Rain again. Right now, today is March 29. It's Friday, it's weekend over here in Kuwait. We're going to Arabella. Park and wash.
Yo, what's up guys? We just got to Arabella. We're at the family carnival. Let's go. This way. Take a picture.
Hello, welcome to the Family Carnival organized by Arabella and in association with Concert Events Planning.
Right now we are at the family carnival here in Arabella. It's a two-day event. It's yesterday and today. Today is 2 to 8 p.m. and everything is free. They even have popcorn, they have cotton candies, they have face painting, they have clay pot painting, they have a program, they even have a DJ, and they have Shrek and Fiona.
Let me see you dance.